Drawing lips sounds easy, but it's a total nightmare for beginners, especially that juicy look. If you have been subbed since the start, you know I have shared many hacks. Let's get rendering. Juicy lips. I am using Procreate app and screen size canvas. Remember, grab an inspiration lips picture from Pinterest. There are loads. Add a layer and set the opacity to 50%. Use the studio pen from the inking palette. Start with a curvy vertical line in the center, then a horizontal one. Now follow my lead. Map out the rough shapes for the upper and lower lip. Don't worry about being perfect. A rough sketch is fine for now. Phew, my throat is parched. I have definitely been talking a lot. Add a new layer. Keep it under the sketch but above the inspiration picture. I am using an imported brush now, but the studio pen works fine. Grab a dark maroon, brown or black and follow that middle horizontal line. Then add two small oval shapes at the corners and then draw a second horizontal line for the upper lip. Next, the base color. Pick the dominant shade from your inspiration picture. For mine, it's pink. No, it's red. Honestly, you tell me in the comments. To keep this beginner friendly but high quality, I am erasing the messy edges. Actually, feel free to skip that if you are feeling lazy. New layer time. Pick colors from your inspiration picture from darkest to lightest and draw them as small round balls, same as mine. Just tap the square button to use a color picker. This is a lifesaver, believe me. Listen up now. To keep this easy, I am skipping the teeth today. Fill the center of the lips with a dark shade. Remember, lips aren't 2D flats. To get that 3D look, check your inspiration photo. Some spots have shadows while others catch the light, depending on where those light rays are actually hitting. Physics. Am I right? Basically, follow the light unless you want your lips looking like a flat pancake. On mine, the corners are darker, the center is lighter, and whatever you do not forget those glossy spots. Those are the main VIP guests in the party. Draw these shapes on separate layers like I am doing. You can even label them if you are feeling fancy. I am erasing my reference now since I will use my new shading guides, but feel free to keep yours if you are not feeling that experimental yet. Okay, listen, the very corners of the lips are always darker. So start there and hey, use the color palette we just made. Don't go rough now. Use those dark shades to map out the shapes and start shading. Next, time for a lighter shade on a new layer. Keep one eye on your inspiration photo and try to mimic it. Basically, follow the leader with the reference until it looks right. Now for the gloss. Adding and shading gloss is tricky business. Believe me, you have got to really squint at your reference for this if you want to be a pro. Untick all your layers, start a fresh one and mimic those exact gloss strands using colors from the inspiration pic. Now pause and tick all those layers back on except for the inspiration pick layer. I am adding skin and some subtle shadows now, but honestly, if you want. Now for the real fun. Even the pros struggle here, but don't worry, your creator girl has your back to keep this from turning into a feature-length movie. Check the linked video for my smudging secret. It makes smudging as easy as spreading butter on a toast. For the basics, go to the smudge palette, select airbrushing, then soft airbrush. In settings, properties, set smudge pull to 0% and wet mix blur to 70%. Keep your brush opacity between 20 to 40%. Believe me, 33% is the exact amount you need. Alright, let's get smudging. Start by smudging the corners. Just follow my lead. Always smudge in the direction of your lines. If the line is vertical, don't go horizontal. We are drawing lips, not waving a basket. Now listen, some spots need a hard smudge, so press down firmly. In lighter areas, be gentle with your pen. Treat it like a feather. You can already see a huge difference. If you are happy, you can stop here and go enjoy your life. But before you leave, tell me in the comments which looks better, the inspiration picture or my creation. Oh, don't be shy. Okay, fine. Ignore me then. I am still not satisfied with this, so let's add more details. Since I want them to be ultra glossy, I am adding some subtle white shapes so it gives that juicy look. Lips also have vermilion lines. I mean those teeny creases. So on a new layer under the gloss, use a hairbrush to sketch them in.
Just follow the natural curves of the lips.
I am adding even more gloss because I can't help myself. So oh god, stop staring. It's not that beautiful. Actually, wait. Look at it. It looks magnificent. I dare someone to make it better. Well, your masterpiece is ready now. So now go show off your masterpiece and I'll catch you in the next video. But wait, tell me in the comments which app do you actually use the most. Until then, keep drawing and stay creative.
Bye bye.